I have let my PowerBook, what is this, 1983? Doing a quick unboxing and test of this LISEN Magsafe 3 compatible cable. This is it out of the box. It looks very similar to the one that came with my MacBook Pro. And I'm going to plug it in using my handy dandy USB voltage watt amperage tester to see if it really does accept the higher wattage that it says it's rated for. It says it's rated for 140 watts. I have let my MacBook Pro get down to 8% of charge so that it will suck as much juice out of this as possible. I'm not thinking that it's going to go all the way to 140 watts. It's probably not even necessary, but if it can get up to a decent wattage, then I will count that as a success. Okay, here we go. Plugging it into the tester and plugging it into my MacBook. Let's see what we've got. I'm going to need the glasses for this. It is currently drawing 125 watts, 130 watts, 130 watts, 131. Okay, I'm going to call that a success. It's not a full 140, but I mean, it probably could hit 140 at a peak. 130 is absolutely respectable, so this cable absolutely does what it says it's going to do, and I'm pretty happy with it, so I think you will be too. I hope this helps.